Alright y'all, what's good everybody on YouTube? It's your boy Moody.
It's your gonna be.
And look, it's been a little while since we did a vlog, but you already know from the title and the thumbnail what we got planned today. We are picking up these zebras, but the way how we got these zebras, I was lucky enough to hit on the Adidas app for in-store, and I was also able to hit on Foot Locker for an in-store reservation, this is gonna be my first time hitting on a Foot Locker reservation for Yeezys. Yep. So I'm excited about that. After this purchase, I should be around the 1 million point ballpark, so I'm excited for that because you already know what that means. More W's. So we're gonna go ahead and get our day started, get a few errands ran today. We're gonna take out with us, take a look at these shoes, and then yeah, appreciate y'all for checking out the vlog. So let's go ahead and get it started. Let's go. Alright y'all, so first stop we gotta go to Memorial Mall. So that's where the Foot Locker is gonna be located that we hit in store for. It's gonna be size 7.5, which is gonna be her size. And then after that we gonna head to the Galleria, and then that's where I hit a size 12 at the Adidas store. So yeah, get right into the B-roll and then let's get to the store. So let's get it. Got that package secured, so we're gonna take a look at them, see what they talking about, and then grab this next pair from the Galleria. So let's see what they look like. All right y'all, as y'all saw, we got that first location taken care of, Memorial City. As you can see there, we leaving them all now, but more importantly, let's just take a look and see. You know, box not too bad, you know what I'm saying? See what these zebras looking like. Let's see. I don't know if they're gonna be like identical to the last pair that restocked, but all right, so the box isn't too bad. You know, this is her size 7.5, white, sea black, red. Ooh. I feel like they look a lot wider in pictures. Brand new pair zebras. Yeah, so now we about to head to the Galleria. It's crazy how the Galleria is literally only like 5 miles away from the Memorial City Mall, but it's a 20-minute drive because of traffic. So about to head there now, pick up this size 12, and then we'll see what else we got planned today. We have people that wanted to hang out with us, the cool guys today. So I'm gonna see what we get into, and then I'll record it, add it to the vlog or whatever, and then that'll wrap up today's video. So let's get to this Galleria. Let's go. Another trip to the Galleria. Let's hit this Adidas store, y'all. Let's go. Bag secure, size 12. Yes, sir. All right, y'all, so we back in the car after running around Galleria, you feel the Galleria Mall. So let's take a look at my pair now, the size 12. We saw somebody with them on, but it was the older pair. And that's the one thing that kind of bothers me about the zebras, is that the fact that they yellow. Like, I understand that's what they gonna do, but as you can see here, the box is not beat. Looks pretty decent. Let it have been pick up at JD Sports, it would have probably been a different story. But let's take a look at these bad boys. Jesus. Low
Go ahead, put them on right now.
I don't know about all that. I don't know about all that, but the men's size 12 zebras.
Nice, Daddy-o.
Yes, sir.
That looks so good.
Yup. All right, now, what's next up? Where we going?
We're gonna go grab some coffee. I always start Saturdays with my Dunkin' run.
Even though it's day's almost over.
3:30, never too late for coffee. Then we're gonna pull up at Post. Houston Post is, I guess, like a they have like different foods, different architecture. It's newly built. I think it opened this past summer. Maybe not this past summer. I feel like it opened recently. And so we haven't been personally, but we're supposed to be meeting up with Alex and Yoda there around 5-ish. It's about 3:30 now. But we told them we're already on this side of town, so we're just gonna head there. But yeah, so we'll take y'all along to Post with us. It should be nice, something different to do.
Yep.
And it's about 85 degrees here in Houston today, so it's super hot.
Yeah, it's a real nice day. As you could tell from the B-roll earlier.
Yeah.
Nothing but clear blue skies.
Yeah.
No clouds in sight. Maybe a few, maybe one or two, but that's pretty much it. So yeah, we about to pull up to there. We eating there? It's like a restaurant?
Yeah, so they have different food places. We said that we'll all like grab something different and we'll share so that way we could try different places together. Probably get some dessert out there too. So yeah, we got some time. We had some food at the mall, but we made sure we ate small so that way we had room, give us time to digest a little bit, and yeah.
All right, so Yeezy day, successful pickup. You saw I had on the Oreos today. Wanted to have some type of OG colorway, you know, of the V2s when we go pick them up. But yeah, so that wraps up us picking up the shoes. Whenever we do get to the house, we may wrap up the vlog there, sit down and talk about them, get some more B-roll of the shoe. But for right now, we're going to enjoy this Saturday. It's a nice day outside, so we're going to enjoy it. We're going to take y'all along with us. So let's get right into it. Let's go. Got us a crab and some yogurt, frozen ice. So yeah, time to dive in. What was this place called? Huh? What was this place called?
The
Post. I didn't know the vibes was that crazy at the rooftop.
So what, babe?
I didn't know the vibes was that crazy on the rooftop.
Oh, they're having a party. They got bars up there and shit. Damn.
It was a nice day.
Next time you need to bring a sheep or something. Ooh. Damn, I was in the original here. Huh? You're in the original here. You can't play out.
Wait,
Y'all parked on the
we
side?
parked right there.
We parked over there, yeah, on that side.
Okay.
All right, y'all. Well, y'all saw that was the rooftop at I forgot the name already.
Post.
At Post here downtown Houston.
Yeah.
So yeah, we about to go back to the crib, wrap this video up, take a look at these zebras, get our final thoughts and opinions on them, look at both of the shoes, check the quality control, all that good stuff.
Yep.
And we gonna wrap this video for y'all. So
Yep.
we gonna see y'all whenever we get back to the house. So let's get there. Let's go. All right, y'all. So we back at the house.
This is yours. This is mine.
Oh yeah.
So we're back at the house.
You already know, successful day. We got both bears picked up. Foot Locker, first W. Cause like if you have the Foot Locker and the Champs app, and you're fortunate enough to put in raffles for in-store, you would know that it's extremely hard to get, you know, Yeezys, foam runners, Yeezy slides, if they ever do release it on there. So the first time being able to hit on there, and I finally broke 1 million points on the Flex app. So I'm gonna post that right there. Finally broke 1 million points.
Yeah.
That means We done spent like
over 10 pounds.
Over $10,000. And
I can't even,
on that account.
I was gonna say I can't even fathom the thought that we spent that much.
It's not. I mean, of course
we sold some.
Sold a lot.
But we definitely have spent a lot of money on shoes too. But
you already know Adidas, House of Hoops, Foot Locker.
Go ahead and jump right into it.
Size 12, size 11 and a half. I did hit on JD.
7 and a half.
7 and a half, yeah. I did hit on JD today. You already saw the boxes earlier.
Yeah.
But hit on JD today for the V's sister. Hit a 6 and a half. So we got 3 pairs today. 1 on the way. But yeah, zebras. Y'all let us know in the comment section. Did you take a W today?
Did you sell the zebras?
Did you sleep? Do you already have the zebras? This is going to be our first pair of zebras because when the zebras came out, I was graduating. 2016, yeah, I was graduating high school. I ain't have bread like that for shoes, so
I wasn't into sneakers.
Yeah, so this is gonna be my first pair of zebras. I don't know how much I wear them because, as you can see, that all white bottom right there.
It's definitely going yellow.
It's definitely gonna get yellow. We saw somebody's today. Theirs was yellowing. That's the only thing. I feel like zebras look great, but you know, after a while they do turn yellow, which that is the part of wearing your shoes. But I mean, y'all let us know in the comment section. They said that these is gonna be a little bit different prime knit up top. I don't, shoot, you know me. I only have the most recent ones, so I don't really know the difference. But we also went to
Post.
Post.
We went to Barnes & Noble's, as you've seen, and after that we went to Post, met up with Yoda and Alec, had lunch / dessert, had a nice view of the city of Houston. If you're out in Houston, go check out Post. Like I said earlier, it has opened up recently. It's a great environment. It's like a huge food court on the weekends, at least Saturday. They have kind of like a farmer's market out there. It was super nice. It's right across from the aquarium. We went to the aquarium already, so if you haven't seen that video, go check it out. But yeah, definitely if you get a chance, go check out Post Houston. Yeah, it was nice. I thought so.
It was nice. It was definitely, and today was a really good day.
To be out there.
Not a cloud in sight. Really good weather. I feel like a lot of people took advantage today.
Nice high pressure coming in.
Yeah, wanted to come outside and, you know, just enjoy outside today. So we did the same, but you already know why we stepped out for the first part. You already know. Had to take care of priorities. I'm just saying.
I was gonna say no, this is a priority because on Saturdays Saturdays are our fun days because we are able to pick up sneakers. Sundays are for errands and meal prepping and just quality time, but Saturday's quality time as well. But yeah, we always step out and we're always fortunate enough to be able to go on a pickup vlog or a pickup sneaker. Today we got lucky with both of ours, so I'm happy. Thank you, baby, for hitting for me. I appreciate you.
You're welcome. You already know me. I'm gonna try my best to get it for retail. If not retail, look, we got something in the closet that we gonna swap it out for. You know what I'm saying? But that is the end of the video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this vlog. It's been a little while since I posted. Feels good to get the camera rolling again, getting the pickup vlog going. Yeah, we about to have a vacation coming up. You probably won't see that vlog until maybe July because he still has a lot of other vacation vlogs he needs to upload. But if you follow him on social media, you'll see our vacation coming up. But yeah, stay tuned. So all the links to everything gonna be in the description. They also had them Jordan 5s today, the Jade Horizons. I think they were a nice colorway. I'm not gonna hold y'all, but personally I'm not a fan of 5s, so it wasn't something. We got exclusive access for men and grade school, but like I said, it wasn't. I'm not a fan of 5s. I like the colorway, but and on top of that, when I got in JD today, whenever like they let me through the app, I was able to get the 6.5 in these. And I wanted to hurry up and check out because I already know like they sell out fast. But they had the 5s sitting there for a good little minute. I could have had any size I wanted, men's or grade school, but you know, eventually it did sell out. So I haven't checked the prices on them. But I mean, y'all let us know in the comment section which shoe you went after today, if you went after both of them. Y'all let us know. Look, we only went after these because I wasn't really feeling the 5s because the green bean 5s are coming out. And I'm very excited. I might be the only person that's really excited for that shoe because It's like one of the shoes that I had, like,
brings back nostalgia.
Like, it was one of the very first Jordans that I remember, like, growing up. Like, it was a kid in my class that had them. And, like, you know how, like, in I don't even know which grade it was, like, kindergarten, first grade, one of the two. Like, when you sit around in circles, you would sit around me, and you know how, like, the fives got the bubble on the side? Like, I would, like, mess with that. I would mess with the shoes and, like, press the bubble on it. So that was the first shoe Jordan that I remember. So I'm really hyped because that was, like, back in 2005. So it was a long time ago, so I'll be able to finally get my hands on those. I know for a fact, because fives are easy to get. But outside of that, that's the end of this video. Y'all keep y'all post notifications on because I'm almost done with the anniversary vlog. So that might be the video, maybe a video 2 after this. I have all 3 of the Concept Air Max 1s, so I'm gonna do an unboxing and breakdown of all 3 of those. And yeah, anniversary vlog, birthday vlog. I'm gonna try to get it all out.
And El Salvador vlog. Costa Rica vlog.
Costa Rica. It won't be as bad. The anniversary vlog, I had like 4 hours of footage, but the El Salvador and the other trips, it's probably like an hour and a half. So I can chop it down real easy. But that's it, y'all. Y'all stay tuned. Y'all hit that notification bell, subscribe, and like this video for me if y'all enjoyed the channel. But yeah, Zebras, Jade Horizons,
we out.
Pretty good day. Yeah. So we're gonna have to check y'all out for the next video. So peace out.